Imagine I secretly walked into your house tonight and changed your thermostat from 24 degrees to 18 degrees. What would happen? Obviously, the temperature would fall, and eventually, your heating system would cool down, and without asking your permission, the room temperature will come to exactly 18 degrees. Now, here is a strange question. What if your mind also had a thermostat? Not for temperature, but for success in your life, for confidence, for love, for money, for happiness. And every time life rises above what feels normal, your subconscious silently, quietly brings it back. Not because you don't deserve more, but because your brain believes normal is safer than better, and is trying to actually keep your life around the thermostat that you have silently, unconsciously set for yourself in your mind. So, your brain is obsessed with one thing: predictability. Not happiness, not wealth, not success, simple predictability. If chaos looks dangerous, predictability keeps us alive. Thousands of years ago, this strategy worked, but today it quietly traps us. Think about someone who wins the lottery yet ends up broke again. We have n number of examples in the history. People who rose spectacularly to fame overnight only to lose everything 2-3 years down the line. Think of someone who loses 30 kgs only to gain it back. Someone finally meets an amazing partner but then slowly sabotages the relationship. People call it bad luck or poor discipline. But have you really thought maybe something else, something different was happening? Maybe they had exceeded their internal thermostat, their identity quietly restored the equilibrium and got it back nearer to the thermostat which was secretly being set by them in their minds. Let me explain it a little more. So the brain constantly predicts. It asks, what kind of life belongs to someone like me? Everything inconsistent with that prediction creates discomfort. Not excitement, it creates pure discomfort. And that's why growth often feels wrong before it feels right. So suddenly you may start doubting your own growth and not hating your own growth because of the very reason that your thermostat has not been upgraded to accept it as the new normal. So I want you to finish these sentences. People like me never, fill in the blank. People like me always, fill in the blank. People like me can't, fill in the blank. People like me don't, fill in the blank. People like me shouldn't, fill in the blank. Those unfinished sentences reveal your thermostat, which is silently sabotaging your growth and happiness. So it will reveal the thermostat, not your dreams, but your limits that you have imposed on yourself. So I'll give you one practical exercise. For the next 24 hours, notice every time you say, I'm just not the kind of person who, fill in the blank, whatever is you are going to say. Don't correct it, don't judge it, just write it down. And by the end of 24 hours, you would have discovered the invisible rules running your life. Rules you never consciously wrote, but you've been obeying them event to event silently for years. And I'll give you another exercise which will help you. Ask yourself, if I had been born into a completely different family, would I still believe this? This is what will you think? The sentence you have finished. People like me don't, never. So think, if I had been born into a completely different family, would I still believe this? That single question breaks open decades of conditioning. Now I'll share what changed my life. I stopped asking, how do I become successful? I started asking, what version of normal is my brain trying to protect? Because once you raise what's normal, you no longer have to chase extraordinary and extraordinary quietly becomes your new ordinary. That means your next level becomes your new normal. And that's what I want, dear friends. Think about it till I meet you in my next video.